final project, student and academic system. This my code is about the academic system. The first is A and B initial setup. Initialize an empty list but is unused. You can remove it if not needed. And then the next is about use dictionary store to data. Create a dictionary to store student information using their student ID as the key. The next is input a sample student info. Define a function to add students with their details, name, age, and course, and grade, etc. Populates the student data dictionary with a example with the student. The next is recursion to calculate total. Uses recursion to calculate the total of grades is adds up grades by one by one using recursive calls. The next is use of arrays. Loop throughout each student in the student data. Use the sum recursive function to get the total grade. Calculates the average and determine the student pass or fail based on the average. And then the next is search failure binary search. It performs binary search on a shorted list of student dictionary based on their name. And then return to the student's record if the name is found. And then the next is sorting failure highest to lowest. And then this is the sort the student list from highest to lowest average. It's helpful for ranking or leaderboards. The next is stack simulation. A simulation stack using a Python list pushed by close parenthesis and open parenthesis and close parenthesis by adds grade and changes. Pop and removes the most recent grade changed by the last in and the first out. The next is quiz simulation. Use DQ to simulate a queue for student attendance. And then the mark attendance adds student names in the other they arrive. And then the next is link by list of submissions. By create a link for ranking student submission, and then each stores our student name and submission. And then the new submission are added to the end of the list. The next is L3 for departments. It implements a tree structure to represent the department like BSIT and BSCS under the university, to allows the system to expand by adding more. And then the next is binary search tree. It creates a BST using student IDs for efficient searching or traversal. The next is to add each student ID into the tree using insert BST. The next is shift for top 3. This one. Using Python HipView to get the top 3 based on the student on a average. And then to efficient way to extract highest performance. And then the graph with friends, this one, to represent friends group using an agency list dictionary of lists. It's useful for social network analysis or group activities. To output display, nicely prints out students info including ID, would finalize the output by calling the required function and showing shorted data intended for summarizing results useful for making a video and demonstrate. And then the last is I try to run this I know by the wait, i-check ko muna yung code ko. The student academic system, the IT name is Melanalis 20, and then the course is BSIT, and then the average is 88.67. The status is pass. Then the ID2, Lucky, the name is Lucky, 21 years old, and the course is BSCS, the average is 78.67. The status is pass. The next is ID3, name Micaela, age 21, course is PSIT, average is 91.33, the status is pass. Then the ID4, the name is BJ, age is 26 years old, course BSCS, the average is 87.83, the status is pass. The next is ID5, name Walter, age 23, course BSIT. And then average is 69.67. The status is failed. The top 3 performers is Micaela, is the average has 91.83. And then Melanel have is average is 88.67. The next is BJ. She's have average 87.83. When the research result for BJ is found. And then this function at the about this is called is about the what is this the called? Academic student pala. Yun yung code ko nun.